morning, it's the 10th of March 2018 and we're back here today for our first Merlin visit of 2018. This is Coastersaurus.
Hey, hey, find me no love.
Good morning from Chessington World of Adventures. Yes, today is the first day that the park is open this season. It's Passholders Day, which means it's only Merlin Passholders here today. Don't know how busy it's going to be. Last year it wasn't too bad. I think we're going to head down and see if we can get on the Gruffalo first.
I can see a butterfly!
Come and have tea in our treetop house. Oh, silly old owl. Doesn't he know there's no such thing as a groove?
I know this.
You like this bit?
I like the bit with the snake.
Scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me, and soon you'll see everyone is afraid of me. All right. Now my tummy's beginning to rumble. My favorite food.
All was quiet in the deep, dark wood. The mouse found a nut, and the nut was good.
essential to a good wild mouse. I really enjoy a ride on Rattlesnake. It's my favourite coaster here. Next ride for us today, it's time to catch the Scorpion Express. Hi Peter, how was Scorpion Express?
Good.
Did you enjoy that?
Yep.
Lots of fun. Oh, you got on the front, didn't you? Were you driving the train?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah?
Louise.
Were you?
Yeah.
Ah, brilliant.
Oh my god. Johnny's face. She said she don't like going upside down. Did she? She just took her glasses off.
After a great ride on Scorpion Express, it's now time to jump on Toon Blaster.
Anybody want to buy these carpets?
I've got that pink one when I went to New
Did you enjoy that? Yeah, what have we just been on?
Toon Blaster.
Toon Blaster, is it good?
Yeah. There's all those zombies up there.
You shoot lots of zombies?
Yeah, and loads of stuff. But I don't know what number it is.
Oh, you can't remember your score? Ah, right. We do like Toon Blaster. It's unfortunate that the audio seemed to be misbehaving today. It's causing a few problems as it's going around the ride, audio cutting out quite a lot. But yeah, it is a really good dark ride, and it is one of the ones we really enjoy doing when we come to Chessington. Of course, no Coastersaurus visit to Chessington would be complete if it didn't start tipping it down, which is exactly what it's just started to do. Yes, and it's raining again. Of course, opening later this year is the retheme of the Dragon Falls log flume that's been rethemed to Tiger Falls. So we've got the tiger enclosure that runs around the log flume. So that's going to be opening later on, and we'll be back later in the year to see what that looks like. Having a great day at Chessington today. We've got on plenty of rides, and it's been a really good day. But it's now coming towards the end of the day, and we're going to get on the last couple of coasters. What are we getting on now?
Dragon Fury! Dragon Fury! Dragon...
I think you might be a bit excited for this one. Well, it looks like Dragon's Fury is our last ride of the day. We've had a really good day here today. It has actually been quite a bit quieter than we might have expected it to be. We've managed to get on plenty, had a really good time, and yeah, looking forward to continuing the rest of the season. The park's now closing and it's time to go home, but we're going to be back again very shortly. For now though, good night. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.